Hi, it's Adam Hewison. I'm coming to you, as always, from the digital studios of Market Club, and the market we're looking at is the SP 500. This market has had a remarkable run from the lows that were seen in March, which is right here, to the highs that we've just recently witnessed. And this looks like a temporary top. We had several blog postings. We were looking for a top potentially here, as we had a down trend line, the retracement on the major move back to 50%, and the turnaround on the downside. There's also, you also have a trend line. I'm going to draw that in for you now. So let me just take everything off the screen, and we'll draw the trend line in. And you just go to the trend line tool here in Market Club, and we're going to go from the very lows here and draw it all the way up here. As you can see, we have penetrated this line, which is an important line, as it does connotate support in previous time zones, meaning we had support here and support here, and we've now violated that on the downside. So it would occur to me that this is a top. Whether it's a temporary top or a permanent top, we'll have to wait and see, but my guess is that it's going to be a very significant top for this market. Now, I've already drawn in the Fibonacci numbers. This is our Fibonacci tool right here, and this is the first target zone, which is around 996.48, which is a 23.8%. More importantly, the 38.2% is here at 932.86, and so on. The 50% at 881.44, and the 61.8%, which is 830.02. Now, I know these markets, it seems like a big move from down here, but it's certainly potentially there. A couple of things we alerted you to last time was the divergence here on the MACD. You had prices going higher, like here, and then you had the MACD turning down. We actually had this turn. We caught this several days ago when the market turned down. But more importantly today, and I'm going to take everything off the screen because I want to show you this, and I'm going to scope this in even further. Just easy to do with Market Club. You just click on the, I'm going to just put our weekly triangles in. And as you can see today, the weekly triangle gave a signal to be out of this market if you are a position type trader. It's indicating here at 1,033, the market's at 1,038, it's a little bit higher, but the daily is negative, the weekly is negative. The only one that's positive is this one here. That's the monthly. So this is negative and this is negative, and it would appear as though any rallies in this market is going to be met with pretty good selling, so at least for the time being. So if we scope this out even further, I want to show you an idea that I have that I think potentially could play out in this market, because I think it's still early to say the market's just going to collapse and go down to the levels we just mentioned. I think there's a very good possibility we may be in a situation where we have this type of scenario. We go down like this, and we come back up again, and then we go down and break through these levels. And I think that's going to be very, very significant. This has the potential of being a head and shoulders top. So far, we've got the left shoulder here, a potential head, and these are and what we're looking for now is a potential right shoulder building, and then for the market to come down. But again, this is still early. I think we have to pay close attention to this market, but certainly the levels we mentioned here, 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 and even lower are very real, and one should pay attention to this market very closely. I think it's going to be some great trading opportunities for the balance of the year in Q4. So, hey, this is Adam Hewison. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for allowing us to share these ideas with you.